If you find yourself driving in North Texas and you go by a shop with a bunch of off-roading vehicles, hey, you may be going right by Outlaw Off-Road Performance, a really cool shop, and we're going to do a quick tour. Welcome to Road Odyssey. If you like this and my other crazy videos, hey, well, please hit that like button and subscribe because I know you're going to like the videos that I provide. Outlaw Off-Road Performance. You will find this place on 289 or Preston Road, north of, well, Plano, McKinney, and all that. Just go on up towards Highway 82. Kevin is the owner and operator, and yes, he does all kinds of off-road vehicles, including ATVs. He will do wheels, tires, lift kits, and gearing. This guy does fantastic work, been here for a few years now, and he is beginning to grow quite a good reputation. You can check out Outlaw Off-Road Performance on Facebook. When you do so and you look for them, be sure to look for the Outlaw Off-Road Performance in South Maid, Texas, or in North Texas. As I mentioned before, Kevin can work on all kinds of cars. He is very much certified in American and foreign cars. So that would include Land Rovers, Jeeps, etc. So his shop is often filled to the brim with really cool projects. This is one of the signs out front that you might look for, but primarily you're looking for, hey, this long building along the side of 289 or Preston Road. Very easy to see. There's not a lot around it. There's a lot of empty space. And when you pull in and hop out of your car, you might be greeted by a couple of nice little puppy dogs, such as this guy right here. So let's walk into the facility. This is the front office, and take a quick peek out into the garage. I'm going to have to show you some video clips and maybe a couple of more pictures while playing some music. Quite honestly, this is work that I know nothing about. I can tell you that he expounded on many things about what he does to ensure that these off-road vehicles are very well suited for the terrain that they would be used for. He goes well beyond lift kits and just putting on, proper wheels and tires. He will beef up this suspension in multiple ways, even if it means making his own big, thick tie rods and all kinds of other body parts that are required. He can also handle the larger wheels and tires in doing alignments. And he will manually do these alignments because the computers are not calibrated for the alterations on these trucks and Jeeps, etc. But he is extremely proficient at this. He's got a lot of return customers. I have been watching this place for several years now, and it is always packed. So I know he does a fantastic job. It's getting a little late in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You have been watching Road Odyssey. Please give a like because, hey, you like this shop and you appreciate me going to the bother of making this video. Thank you so much. And if you enjoy the videos that I provide, please subscribe to Road Odyssey. Y'all have a great day. Please relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.